Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to use Rivet Machine to fix your eyelet, your cover button, your pearl bead, and snap buttons. That is pressing button. Before I continue, please help me to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. The material that will be needed in this class are your dies. You have to buy different dies. This is our cover button dies. It comes with different sizes. This is cover button dies. This is our cover button. I'll be showing you how to fix it, how you can do it. This one is our snap button. This snap button comes with different colors. When you are making your detachable flame, you can use it. It comes with different colors and size. I only have two sizes here. See, and this is our pearl bead. This is pearl beads. This is the dies that you go to mark. If you buy your Rivet Machine, you tell them to give you the dies. This is our eyelet dies. This one also comes with different sizes. I'll be teaching you one by one on how to use all this. Just continue watching this video. First of all, we'll start with our cover button. I'll show you how to fix it. First of all, you have to put this one here. If you put this one here, cut a piece of fabric. Please, if you are cutting the fabric, make sure it's not too big. Make sure is the size you are cutting is the size of the button you are using. This is the left side. This is the left side. You now do it like this and insert it inside. Bring this one, the cover. You now put the cover inside. Okay, did not piece it well. Here is it. Cover it like this. Now press it. This is a very simple. You don't need to use all your muscle. Very simple. This is done. Please, you can watch the video again. The next one is our eyelet. I'll show you how to use the eyelet. First of all, you have to screw this one inside. You screw it inside. You now insert this one down here. You can adjust this machine. Okay, let's this machine. If you want, okay, let's go with this one first. Put this one here first. Now insert this, screw this one here. The next thing to do, if you're working with deep fabric, I will advise you to use this soldering iron. It's very important. This is soldering iron. You use the soldering iron, just plug it and open it up. But if you're working with light fabric, you can just use your scissors and open it. If you open it, you now insert this one. You look for the cover. This one, this is the cover of it. See the I hope you're seeing it very well. You now insert it. This is it. I'll go again. Just bring it, insert it, cover it. Put this one here. It's done. The next one is our pearl bead. I have size 8 and size 6. I use the size 8 first. I have to input it. This pearl bead comes with pin, small pin for hooking of the pearls. You screw it on. See how the pins look like. What you do, just put the pin inside here. Put the pin down. Let the pin first up. You now insert this one here. Insert this one here. You now put your clothes the right side. Don't press it too much. Our pearl bead is ready. Very simple. I'll do it again. Your pin, face it up like this. Face it up like this. Put it at the down one. Put it at the down one. It's very tiny. The pin is very tiny. You have to do it very well. Insert this one, your pearls. And I hope you're seeing what I'm. Insert the pearls here. Don't press it too much. This one is done. The next one is your snap button. Screw this one. The next thing you do is let me show you how it looks like. This is how you use it. This is how it looks like. What you do, you bring this one, open it up here. After inserting it, use sharp something to open it if you are working with a thick fabric. You bring this one here. You put this one. Just make sure you position it very well so that it won't break. You now press it here. This is here. Your cover button. If you want to do your knee detachable knee flare or anything detachable, use your pressing button. Just go to the market, they have different colors. I'll open it.